Welcome back to the channel. You're now the number one place to start your natural journey while embracing a natural lifestyle full of self-love, confidence, and determination. You guys see the title, so I am going to jump right on in. As you can see, me making a mess. This is my first step of my wash day. So I start off every wash day for the last couple of weeks with a pre-poo, and I use aloe vera gel. So this is just my method of how I use the aloe vera gel. I haven't attempted to do this pre-poo by blending the aloe vera gel up. I actually like cutting the pieces up and then just applying the aloe vera leaf directly onto my hair. So I feel like doing it this way, I don't waste any of the aloe vera juice or the aloe vera gel. Again, this is just my method of doing it. And then what I will do is divide my hair up into 4 sections, twist it up, and then I'll put it in a plastic cap. And then I'll leave it on my head for like half an hour. So while I'm doing that, I go ahead and fix my onion juice, and I also have a video for onion juice, so I'm not going to go into details, but you guys know the onion juice is basically onions as well as garlic and then cayenne pepper. So I will leave a card up above if you do want to check out my onion juice video, but yeah, the only thing that's really changed since I started doing the onion juice a couple months ago is the way I apply it to my hair. So I did get a new container or a new bottle, and that's kind of like a squeeze bottle, so that way I don't make as much of a mess. I did get this bottle from Walmart, and it's like $1 or $2 or something like that, but as you can see, I'm just squeezing on there, and it's so much better than a spray bottle, and I just really love it. So I actually leave this on my hair for 2 hours. I also put my hair into 4 sections once I have worked it in. And then I will do a scalp massage for a little bit, and then I'll continue on with what I normally do. My wash days are typically Saturday, so yeah, just some Saturday stuff. So now it is time to wash out the onion juice. And I know a lot of people have questions, so they always ask me like the smell. So yes, the onion juice does smell really bad. So that's when I go in with the Chocolate Kinks and Curls Key Lime Truffle Shampoo Bar. And this is going to go ahead and cleanse my scalp. I absolutely 1000% love this shampoo bar. This is my first shampoo bar. I'm not going to talk too much about it because I also have a video for that. So I will leave a card up above if you do want to check out that video. Please don't click out of this video to check the video out. Watch the video after this one's over. I appreciate it. But yes, I absolutely love this shampoo. It has amazing slip. It smells like chocolate with a hint of like lime or something like that. But once I have washed my hair, you do not smell onions, or it doesn't have like an oniony residue. And y'all see a little replay of how long my hair is getting? Okay, girl. Inches. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the coconut deep conditioner, and this deep conditioner is all natural. Once again, I also have a video. Both Chocolate Kinks and Curls and Coconut are both black owned businesses, so definitely, and black owned women businesses to be exact. So if you've never tried their products before, please make sure you do support. Coconut is, again, all natural. So for people that do not like to DIY, you can try this out as a DIY substitute, because all of the ingredients are 100% natural, and the product actually has to be put in the freezer until you are ready to use it. So it shows you how fresh those ingredients are. So I actually left that on my hair for about 30 minutes. I do divide it into sections. And then after that, I go ahead and wash it out. So you just see me washing out the deep conditioner. But let me know what you guys think so far. Like, my hair looks really hydrated. I absolutely love that deep conditioner. You can see. Do you guys think I do a lot on my wash days? Comment below and let me know what you think.
Gone, past
So now we're going to go in with the Miel's Organic Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. This is not my favorite leave-in conditioner, to be honest with you. It actually does not penetrate into my strands very well, and the deep conditioner actually was kind of like sitting on top of my hair, as you can see. So it's not one of my favorites. You know, my favorite deep conditioner of all time is As I Am Leave-In. I just absolutely love it. My hair absolutely loves it. So now that we have that out the way, I go in with the Mielle Organics Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Styling Gel. Now, I must say, I do like this gel. I don't know if I like the two of them together, the gel and the leave-in, but this gel is actually very light. It doesn't have a really hard hold, but it is very moisturizing, and I absolutely love my final results. So let me know if you guys have ever tried out this Mielle Organics line, and what do you think about it. I'm not the biggest fan of Mielle Organics, but I'm kind of new to them, so I'm trying to give them a chance, but I don't know yet, y'all. So now you all will see me doing like a shingling method to just make sure that the gel is smooth through my entire head and I don't have any areas that are dry, because I have had wash and goes in the past where I didn't make sure that I got the gel throughout all of my strands, and then you can kind of tell like some of them were defined and then other strands weren't. So that's a big deal for me, and I've learned over the years like that's how I get the best wash and goes, is when I make sure that I am taking my time through each and every strand of hair. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So I am just going to scrunch my hair, and then I am going to let it air dry. But I did want to show you guys what my hair loss or my shedding look like. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think that that's a lot of hair? Do you think it's about average? Comment below. A few hours later, and my wash day is complete. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you do give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, the notification bell, so you will be notified as soon as my next video drops. And as always, I'm a little different, and different is love. See y'all in the next one. Bye.